If you want to open an app in the split screen view on the Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all, we're going to open the first app that you want to have in the split screen view. Next, we can go to Recents or the list of background apps, and you should be able to tap on the app icon that we have at the top of the app preview. And then in here we have Open in split screen view. Once we do so, we should be able to choose the second app that we want to open at the same time that we want to use simultaneously. So let's say I'm going to choose Settings. And there we go, now I can use both apps at the same time. And besides that, there's another way, another method that allows you to activate the split screen, but first we need to activate it in the settings. So if you open, or once you open settings, you want to scroll down and choose advanced features. Now over here, we're gonna go to motions and gestures. Sorry, not motions and gestures, multi-window actually, here. And then we have swipe for split view. There we go. If you go into that option, you can actually find out how to activate it. So in the portrait mode, you want to swipe up with 2 fingers. In the landscape mode or landscape view, you want to use 2 fingers to slide it from the side of the screen. So let's do this. I'm going to use 2 fingers. I'm going to swipe to the middle. There we go. And now I can choose once again the second app. So let's say I'm going to use the calculator. And there we go. Of course, we should be able to adjust the split by using these 3 dots. You can grab by these dots and swipe up or down to change the split. We can also tap on these dots in order to switch the position of both of these apps, just like that. Also, we can tap on the line that we have at the top of each app in order to find some additional options, like for example, return to the full screen, and so on and so forth. Also, you can grab by these 3 lines and swipe all the way up or all the way down in order to open the selected app in the full screen again. Leave a like and subscribe.